Thank you very much. Let's take our seats, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency Kishida Fumio, Prime Minister of Japan, honorable members of your delegation, distinguished officials, members of the media, good afternoon. I take this opportunity to once again thank you, Your Excellency Prime Minister Kishida Fumio, and your delegation for honoring us with your very important visit. It is important to point out that you also visited Kenya in 2016. Your Excellency, I want to encourage you to feel at home here in Nairobi. A few minutes from here, Mr. Prime Minister, we have a natural national park. And if you find a few minutes, it would be welcome for you to visit. And we have all animals, the big five, the lions. Sometimes, Mr. Prime Minister, they escape from the national park. So if you meet a lion in the street, just be careful, because it is wild. I am delighted to report that the Prime Minister and I have just concluded highly productive bilateral discussions on a broad range of very important issues. During our meeting, I affirmed to His Excellency Prime Minister that his visit, coming on the occasion of the 60th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Kenya and Japan, is indicative of the primacy with which Japan accords Kenya as an